Meet Emily, a talented fashion designer who runs her own boutique in the heart of the city. She's passionate about creating unique clothing pieces but was struggling to reach a broader audience. Determined to expand her business, Emily started her blog, regularly posting her exquisite designs, but hardly anyone visited her website. She refused to give up. Determined to find a solution, Emily scoured the internet and stumbled upon the powerful world of SEO. So, what is SEO? It stands for Search Engine Optimization. In simple terms, it's a set of strategies that help your website rank higher on search engines like Google, making it easier for people to find you. Emily started her SEO journey with a strong keyword strategy, selecting words to represent her creations. This is what we call an on-page SEO. This involves optimizing elements on her website like using relevant keywords, crafting engaging content, and improving the site's structure. Technical optimization came next. Emily made her website lightning fast and easy to navigate. And then there's off-page SEO. It's all about building a strong online reputation through backlinks, social media engagements, and mentions on reputable websites. Emily revamped the design of her website, making it sleek, user-friendly, and visually appealing. She understood that content is king. So Emily dedicated herself to crafting high-quality, engaging fashion content. Analytics provided insights into her audience's preferences. Emily tailored her content accordingly. Emily also embraced local SEO, ensuring that her boutique would shine on the local fashion scene. Building trust was key. With consistent quality and user-friendly design, Emily's audiences began to trust her brand. With a newfound understanding of SEO, Emily started implementing these strategies. The benefits of SEO unfolded. Her website's visibility grew as it climbed the search engine rankings. Engagement soared. By delivering what her audience craved, Emily's visitors became loyal customers. Credibility was built, with her top-ranking website seen as a fashion authority. Emily witnessed an impressive ROI as organic traffic and conversions multiplied. With SEO, Emily gained a competitive edge, leaving her competitors in the dust. Her content strategy focused on addressing her audience's needs and providing solutions. And so, SEO transformed Emily's online presence and helped her reach her fashion dreams. Her website thrived, her fashion boutique became renowned, and Emily's dream became a reality. Just like Emily, SEO can transform your business and take it to new heights. Start your SEO journey today and watch your online presence flourish. Like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more such content.